Welcome to the SailSavvy channel. This is your host Magnus with Captain Cognac co-hosting. Thank you for joining our very first episode in our Do-It-Yourself video series. This first project is quite simple. It can be done in 10 minutes if you have all the materials and tools lined up. We're going to make an extension for your auto tiller. First, we have to determine the length of the extension. To do that, we find the recommended by the manufacturer distance from the tiller center to the mounting point. And then we find the measurement from the tiller center to our desired mounting point on the boat. From that number, we deduct the manufacturer's recommended length, and that tells us the length of the tiller extension we need to make. If there is no recommended distance available, extend your auto tiller to half its full length. Center it, measure the distance from the tiller pin to the mounting point as before. Now deduct the full length of the auto tiller in its half extended form, and that will also tell you the extension length that we need to make. Next, we'll need a piece of hose about 3 inches longer than the extension we're going to make, and it needs to fit snugly over the bar on the auto tiller. The hose needs to be very strong, preferably reinforced, like a fuel line, or in this case, a piece of reinforced garden hose that I found on my boat. We also need a piece of dowel about the same size as the rod on the auto tiller. We're going to insert the dowel into the piece of hose until we have about 1.5 to 2 inches left at the end to insert over the auto tiller rod. As pictured, tighten 2 clamps, one over the part over the rod and one over the dowel to ensure that it's a snug hold, and this also prevents it from sagging when it's extended. Cut the dowel to appropriate length where the hose ends and drill a hole at the mounting point for the tiller pin to fit the tiller pin on your tiller. Sit back, enjoy a cup of your favorite beverage, and admire the marvel of engineering and product design that has come to be at your own making. While you're at it, look up the cost for an extension from the manufacturer. In my case, they start at around $50, and I would have needed 2. Thank you for watching our first DIY episode, brought to you by SailSavvy.org.